I'm MrLeisek. Stay tuned to see what we just did with Karen at 107 feet deep. Kiara, did you know that if I did not put air in my dry suit, I start to get crushed at 30 feet?
I knew you put air in it, but I never knew why.
And I'm gonna show you today with a little experiment as to the reason why. Let me get Karen and let me get Walter, because today, Karen and Walter are the stars of the show. They're gonna go like this.
Oh, poor Karen and Walter.
Thanks to Orca Torch for sending over this 4200 Lumi flash. Sorry about that. You get a little blinded. 4200 Lumi flashlight. 3 different settings we're going to be testing on that one today. This little light goes down to like 150 meters. So thanks Orca Torch for the flashlight for our little experiment today. PARALENZ, thank you for sending over your cameras. We're going to be using these cameras today that go down 820 feet total. This is going to show you the depth and the temperature at which Karen and Walter are going to be diving at today. So thank you PARALENZ for sponsoring our channel, sponsoring these videos, and allowing us to bring the viewer audience some amazing footage, not just the great quality video, but as well as the depth, the temperature, and all the other stuff, amazing stuff that goes along with this camera. Check out the link in the description below and go check out PARALENZ. This rope, Kiara, to the end represents about 100 feet. That's how deep we're actually going to be heading down under the water today, Kiara. How long can you actually hold your breath?
Not very long.
Yeah, neither can I. Like, can you hold your breath for 100 feet?
No.
On the count of 3, let's hold our breath. Ready? And... That's as far. Okay, I made it about 40 feet. Yeah, I definitely would not be a very good free diver. That's why I'm a scuba diver, because I cannot hold my breath. What we're doing here, Kiara, is we're gonna use the cool little PARALENZ app with the PARALENZ camera, and we're gonna make sure that we can see Karen is lined up properly, making any adjustments before we dive in the water. So go to our camera, start live preview. Hello, Karen. Look good?
Mm-hmm.
I like it.
Looks good.
All right. Oh. Is she gonna pop? Is she gonna sink? Ooh, she's really holding that thing up. Karen, you gotta go under. Karen. Oh. Karen's kind of ruined my experiment. Alrighty. Karen has been moved forward. Let's see if that's gonna work. Karen, make me proud. Oh, I think that's gonna work.
Good job, Karen.
Yay, Karen. I was thinking, with all the dad jokes that we tell from time to time, I was wondering who our next amazing sponsor could and should be. Any ideas? Dad joke of the day, just off the top of my head. What type of flies love bread?
What kind?
Butterflies. You know, butterflies.
It's cute.
One more, just off the top of my head.
Yeah.
What kind of bows cannot be tied?
What kind?
A rainbow. And the first little flashlight setting we're going to use today, let's use the lowest setting first. So for the flashlight, low is 500 lumens, middle is 1500, and high is 4200. So we're gonna do low first to see what the best underwater camera at this range is without blowing out the picture. That's our goal on this. So our goal is to see what happens at 100 plus feet, and our second goal is to test out the different settings on our Orca Torch flashlight. And the third is to actually track the depth and the temperature on our PARALENZ little dive camera.
Beep. his eye.
Alright, it's recording.
Huh?
Over the top, down we go. Over the top, down we go. What are we doing? Whew. Not chopping it in.
You know who's gonna love this episode?
Who's that?
Adrian. She loves science.
So Adrian, big shout out to you. Kara says you love science. We'll dedicate this episode to you. Adrian's my niece, by the way. All right, let's not catch it on stuff going down. Weird science. Oh, we should play that song, Weird Science.
Bye, Karen.
I gotta say Karen's on the bottom.
Yay, Karen.
All right, test number 1 done. Let's bring it up, grab the computer. Actually, we don't even need to grab the computer. We'll use the PARALENZ app for it. Look, by the way, we're out of the water now. So we're coming up, and look, Karen's still there. Come on, Karen. Looks the same. Look, she's still in one piece. So that's good news.
Good job, Karen.
We can get stuck on the bridge. Flashlight's still on. Make sure the camera's still on. All right, it was recording. Look, Karen looks, look at this, over here. Karen no longer looks like a starfish.
She looks like a squid.
Yeah, she does now. I'm gonna fire up the Wi-Fi on the PARALENZ, connect it back to the phone here, close all my little apps here. So settings, Wi-Fi, connected to PARALENZ, go to the PARALENZ app, turn it on, go to camera, go to import, and I'm gonna say 3 minutes, 107 feet. That's what we want to look at. So our dear little girl here, Karen, went down 107 feet. So let's go right here. All right, play. So she's down, oh here, let's see. She's down 50 feet. 60 feet. Karen's getting a little smaller there.
Mm-hmm.
Look at her eyes. Her eyes are about ready to pop. 70 feet. 80. 88. 92. 95. 100. So there's 100 feet right there. 100. Boom, on the bottom.
Ooh, she looks like she's about to be pulled apart.
Oh, poor Karen. So that's what Karen looks like at 107 feet. Look at her eye. Her eyes are just like all deflated. I'm like, oh, I got sad eyes.
Poor Karen.
Where's she at? 5 feet. Oh, she's almost out of the water. Here she comes. Whoop! Hey, look, I'm Karen, and I like to swim. What I want to also see is down there at 100 feet when it's pitch black, we had the 500 lumens.
I think that's good. I think any brighter it would have bounced too much.
Blown it out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a little bit shiny, but I think any brighter it would just be,
yeah,
you wouldn't be able to see her.
Yeah, I think that 4200 is actually, like, you know, it's like a torch at that point. So let's do this real quick. We know what Karen's gonna do. I don't think we need to throw Walter on there. So let's throw Karen back down there, but let's test out the orchid torch some more, and we'll test out the 4200 as well as the 1500, and then we'll do like a side-by-side comparison with them as well. Orca torch back on the 1500 setting. So really, we're gonna send Karen for another ride. She's gonna enjoy herself, do a little deflation, and the big test that we're going for right now is we're gonna do the side-by-side comparison of the Orca torch at 500 lumens, 1500 lumens, and 4200 lumens is what we're doing. Now the final one, 4200 lumens, and one last ride for Karen. So Karen, enjoy your ride to the bottom and your ride to YouTube stardom. Right, Kara?
I think she's already a star. Just look at her.
Yes. Karen's a star. Oh, that's right. Well, she's more of a squid now.
Yeah.
She was a star. She's now a squid. Uh-oh. Stuck on the bridge again. And over the hill. Now, what we're gonna do is grab that footage, 500, 1500, and 4200 looms, see what the difference is. If you saw my last flashlight, you'll understand why I'm really excited about this one. In the end, Karen was a champ. Walter here, he kind of chickened out. He's like, nope, I don't want to look like a squid when I'm done. Maybe Walter, you should have been a chicken. Hope you enjoyed the video. Our next one, we're gonna be jumping back in the water with our dive gear. If you've not already done so, be sure to subscribe below and turn on that little bell notification. That way you can instant notice anytime we upload a new video like this one, or like our river treasure diving videos, or sometimes our magnet fishing videos. That's it for now. Later. Bye-bye.